Hello, welcome back to CapSim Capstone 2024-2025. The top 10 winning tips, right? Top 10 winning tips. Round 5 for own decision, I show you now. For round 5 to 8 own round, we will have top sale and top profit, right? Top sale and top profit. You can see the result of round 4. From round 4, we started having the top sale and top profit here, and top stock price and top market cap. And now in round 5, we just keep update the product, on the product except number 2, the low end we will update in round 7 because this product needs 7 years to sell best. And also new low end here, the other 6 product we update, and you can see the launching date is quite perfect, half of the year. And now we set for the marketing, we keep update, reduce the price by 50 cents. We can check the for X segment here to see the top selling price. We check the top segment from traditional low end, high end, performance and size here to see the top price and top sale product, top product in traditional segment. We here, right, you have 2 top selling product. So again, you don't have to set the lowest price, set the most optimal price to gain the top sale and top profit in X segment. You check the low end here, you have see that we have the top product here, top sale and top profit. And for the high end, we can improve a little bit. Last round we get stock out, we can increase that. For the performance here, we have the top sale and top market share 28%, and for the size we also lead the market, right? So again, we set the most optimal price. You can use a free Excel file like this to keep track of the price for 8 rounds. Again, do not copy the number. You can adjust, you can use a strategy, but adjust the number to match your game. Depends on the situation of each game, because game and numbers might be different from student to student. We can also calculate the sales forecast here using page number 4. You see unit result here and inventories here. We can use Excel file like this to calculate sales forecast for unit result and inventory, to calculate the sales forecast and production. Then we can input into the game. For the sales forecast, you can see. For the sales forecast here, you can see, and then we can set decision for the production. Round 5 production very important because we need to buy a lot of new capacity here for the good selling product. We need to increase capacity to match it, because you see that we are using 100% of the second shift, 200% of capacity, right? So we need to buy more capacity here, buy more capacity, and increase automation for the high-end performance and size. Traditional 8 is optimal and low end is 10 is okay, right? So buy more, increase automation for high-end performance and size, right? For the recruitment, we have the best workforce now, so maintain 8,000 for recruitment and 80 hours for training. Round 5, we don't need to issue the stock, anymore. We pay some dividend, increasing that, and yeah, we can keep short and long-term loans, short and long-term debts to have 100 million cash in reserve to avoid any kind of emergency. And then for TQM, can use around 1,000 is okay. So we can see we have very high sale and profit. Compared with last round, we get nearly double sales and also double profit here, right? Much triple profit, right? Increase sale and profit a lot from round 5 to 8 because we have the right strategy, right? And contribution margin 45%. See, so you can see the result of round 5. We have very high sales here, top sales and top profit, 34% of market share, much higher than all the other competitors. And also you can see the stock price increase very strongly. We get top stock price now, and also top market cap 3 times higher than the strong competitors, the top competitors, right? So the right strategy. If you have any question, you send the email to mbacim.ferris@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and